I'm lost. I don't know where to go. I don't know where I am or how I got lost. I can't get through there. I guess I better go the other way. The trail I found. It's getting dark out, as you can see. Getting pretty dark. God damn. I think there's an animal out here. What was that? Stay very still. I don't see anything. I'm pretty scared. I don't know if I should make camp here for tonight or what. I guess I better go find some firewood. I found some firewood. Just found it. I better start the fire with this. Oh, there it goes. That's so nice. Next, I'll find a shelter. Okay, I best find a shelter. Maybe in there? No, I'll be back telling you what I find. I'll see if I can find something. Okay, I found a shelter. Actually, I didn't find it. I chopped it down with my hand. I took karate class when I was younger. I just went, hi-ya! 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 So, this is where I'll be sleeping. I don't think anyone's over here, but before I go to bed, since I already got my shelter, there's my fire going. I don't know where to go. Whoa! I guess I'm not alone. I thought I was alone. Oh my god, I think I found food. Dang it, it's a wrapper. God damn it. I thought I was alone. I guess I'll go to sleep now, because it's obviously super dark. This will protect me from all sorts of critters. Well, this has been day 1 of trying to survive on my own. Lost.